Hello friend, welcome back with another video. Today I am going to explain. I am going to give you a guidelines. First of all, one of our friend comment on our video on this video how to install custom ROM in 2000 Samsung Galaxy M10. So this video we just made and randomly we receive a message on it. So here you can see we got a message about comment. Can you please help me how to custom ROM Samsung Young 2, but the home button is broken on. Only the button that can turn on and turn off works. And the volume button I also have and the volume button. I also have a M10. I wanna have a guy to custom ROM it. So we just recently, we just yesterday made a video, on it. I'm going to show you the video, and this is the guide to help my friend on the custom Young 2. I don't think this is the latest model. I think it's up to 7 or 8 years or 10 years, you can say, old. Okay. Another comments is, how can you please give me the Samsung M10 custom ROM file? I got M10 5G. The proper video we published for you yesterday for you. Please go ahead. So I am going to show you the video we just published. Okay, that is the video. Okay, let's see. Samsung Galaxy M10 we published yesterday or 3 days ago. You can see the video. Okay, welcome. This is the video we just published, and I would like to recommend you and recommend my old friend to move on this video, and I will share the link to everyone. And we also receive a comment on this video, Samsung Galaxy F10 F12 custom ROM install, please. So we made a video for this friend and made it's really simple, helpful personal guide and share the links. Okay, we published this video in one yesterday, and here we are discussing intro and warning everything. Okay, on that day we receive another comment on our video that I am stuck in updating my Xbox from Windows 11, so please guide me or help me out. Okay, so we publish another video for our friend request, and it's really simple video about how to update Xbox controller. Okay, welcome back with. So we mentioned this website. I think so. My gamepad pad controller. You can see this is the website we mentioned in the video. Okay, and I'm not gonna make another video on Samsung Young 2 because an all-dead version. Okay, let's see. 85 people have contested already. Dual-SIM wireless controller, Xbox 360 controller, and wireless controller. We have this data in our database as well. 85 people, 85 audience have tested their global their controller. We have a guide. We have proper controller data of our audience, and we are not gonna really selling it because it's only 85. Do we plan in the future about? Okay, this is the guidelines we discussed in the video, and you can read this as well if you are a game lover. Okay, that's all for here, and we will move in next video soon today. Okay, you can watch our videos and follow up. Don't forget you can subscribe, and let's like on video M10 custom ROM. That's okay, very simple, and I love it to share to help my audience, my friends, my everyone, my family. Okay, that's all for now. We'll meet in another video. Thank you for watching.